Hey everyone, welcome back to If you're new here, this is your go-to spot for everything motorcycles, reviews, tips and news. Today we've got something truly exciting for all adventure touring lovers, the 2026 Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. If you're into exploring rugged terrain, conquering mountains, or just want a bike that can handle it all, this is definitely one you need to pay attention to. So, grab your helmet, sit tight, and let's dive into the details of this incredible motorcycle. The Royal Enfield Himalayan has been one of the most beloved adventure bikes since its launch back in 2016. But with the 2026 model, Royal Enfield has gone above and beyond, bringing us the Himalayan 450, a bike that's ready to take the adventure to the next level. Now, we've all seen the Himalayan conquer tough trails and long-distance journeys, but the 2026 Himalayan 450 takes everything up a notch. Let's start with what's new and different, and then we'll get into the full specs, features, and riding experience. First off, the most noticeable change is the new 450cc engine. The old Himalayan had a 411cc engine, but now with the updated power plant, the 450 Himalayan is packing more power, more torque, and better performance. The new engine is more refined, giving the bike a smoother ride even at high speeds, and it's also designed to handle the toughest terrains with ease. The engine layout is a single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that churns out around 40 horsepower, which is a significant increase compared to the previous 411cc engine. This makes a big difference in both on-road and off-road performance. Whether you're climbing steep hills or cruising on highways, the new engine delivers a more responsive and engaging ride. Royal Enfield has also ensured the bike remains fuel efficient, so you'll be able to go long distances without worrying about stopping for fuel constantly. Now let's talk about the frame and suspension. The Himalayan 450 features an all-new chassis that's designed to improve handling and stability. Royal Enfield has used high-tensile steel for the frame, which not only improves durability, but also keeps the overall weight manageable. Speaking of weight, the Himalayan 450 is slightly lighter than its predecessor, which is great for off-road performance and handling. It's a perfect balance of ruggedness and agility, making it an ideal bike for adventure touring. The suspension setup is one of the standout features. The Himalayan 450 comes with an upgraded front fork and a rear monoshock, which are both fully adjustable, providing a much smoother ride even on the most difficult terrains. Whether you're dealing with rock-strewn trails or deep mud, this bike can handle it all. The front suspension has 200 millimeters of travel, and the rear offers 180 millimeters, both of which are perfect for off-road adventures. Now let's look at the braking system. The Himalayan 450 comes with dual disc brakes, with a 300mm disc at the front and a 240mm disc at the rear, both with improved bite and feel, making them more effective in rough conditions. The bike is also equipped with dual-channel ABS, which you can turn off for off-road riding. This is a huge benefit when you're riding on loose surfaces where you might need to lock the wheels for better control. Moving on to the design and ergonomics of the 2026 Himalayan 450, Royal Enfield has kept the same rugged and utilitarian look that the Himalayan is known for, but with some subtle modern touches. The front-end design has a sharper, more aggressive look with the new LED projector headlamp, which not only adds to the aesthetics but also improves visibility when riding at night or through fog. The new body panels are more aerodynamic and provide better protection from wind and weather, helping reduce fatigue on long rides. One of the things that people love about the Himalayan is its comfortable ergonomics, and the 450 continues that tradition. The seat is wider and more padded, giving you better comfort during those long stretches of highway or rocky trails. The handlebar position has been adjusted for a more upright riding posture, reducing strain on your back and wrists during extended rides. Now let's talk about electronics and technology. The Himalayan 450 is equipped with the latest tech that Royal Enfield has to offer. It comes with a full-color TFT display, which is a huge upgrade over the previous model's analog setup. The screen is bright and clear, providing all the necessary information like speed, trip data, fuel economy, and more, all in a user-friendly layout. Additionally, the Himalayan 450 comes with a Bluetooth connectivity, so you can pair your phone and access navigation, calls, and music directly from the display. This feature is especially useful when you're off the beaten path and need to follow a route or keep your hands free for better control of the bike. The bike also features rider modes, which allow you to switch between different performance settings based on the terrain you're riding on. Whether you're tackling a muddy trail or cruising on a highway, these modes adjust the engine response, throttle sensitivity, and traction control to suit your needs. This level of customization is something we've only seen on much more expensive adventure bikes. In terms of fuel tank capacity, the Himalayan 450 has a 15-liter tank, which is perfect for long-distance rides. This gives you the range you need for remote locations without worrying about running out of fuel too soon. Speaking of long-distance rides, the comfort features on the 2026 Himalayan 450 are second to none. Royal Enfield has upgraded the windscreen, making it taller and more adjustable, so it better deflects wind and rain, ensuring a more comfortable ride in adverse weather. The bike is also equipped with a new set of rubberized foot pegs to provide better grip and comfort while riding on rough terrain. Now we can't talk about the Himalayan 450 without mentioning the off-road capabilities. The bike is built for adventure and has been tested in some of the most extreme conditions around the world. From the icy cold of the Himalayas to the heat of the desert, the Himalayan 450 is designed to tackle it all. It comes with knobby tires, a high ground clearance, and a low gear ratio, which makes it perfect for crawling over rocks, sand, and mud. The larger 21-inch front wheel and 17-inch rear wheel give you more traction and stability on off-road surfaces. One feature that stands out is the improved fuel management system, which not only ensures better fuel economy but also keeps the engine running cool, even in the most extreme conditions. Royal Enfield has also worked on the engine's heat dissipation, reducing the chance of engine overheating during prolonged off-road riding. Now, what about pricing and availability? The 2026 Royal Enfield Himalayan 450 is expected to be priced around Rs 2.75 lakh to Rs 3.10 lakh in India, which places it in the sweet spot for adventure touring bikes. It's still affordable compared to some of the higher-end adventure bikes, making it an excellent choice for riders looking for a high-performance bike without breaking the bank. The Himalayan 450 will be available at all Royal Enfield dealerships starting from the second quarter of 2026, so be sure to visit your nearest showroom for a test ride. And if you're already an owner of the older Himalayan models, this might just be the upgrade you've been waiting for. That's it for today's review of the 2026 Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on our future motorcycle reviews, tips, and everything in between. Also, let me know in the comments what you think about the new Himalayan 450. Is this the bike that's going to elevate your adventure riding? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep the wheels rolling and the adventures endless.